Recently, my body has shown some signals. A subtle reminder that I've landed on this planet for 36 years. I once tried to understand my mission on this earth, but I've long since lost contact with Star Command. Now I must explore on my own. At this stage, I hold 4 different identities on this planet: a busy mom, an income-free freelancer, a classified identity, a full-time homebody. Even after 36 years of exploration, most of the map is still grayed out. As for gear and coins, I'll just have to earn them as I go. As a freelancer, I'm currently focused on expanding my skill set. I'm learning After Effects, mastering Blender, and figured out how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve. Because somewhere in my mind, I've always felt that my skills need to be absolute perfection before I'm even qualified to take on client work. So you ask me, what kind of freelancer are you? Wow, great question. Initially, I wanted to be a UI UX designer. To stand out, I thought, let's add some 3D elements to my portfolio. So I opened Blender. I only planned on making cute, low-poly models. But then, product animation hooked me. To improve the mesh, I learned topology. To make the animations cooler, I dove into geometry nodes. Then I thought, what if I could create Apple-style product animations? So I picked up After Effects. And to document this whole madness, I had to learn cinematography and DaVinci Resolve color grading. So, after a whole year of figuring all this out, did I master a new skill? Nope, not a single one. Is my portfolio done? Not even close. But after going through this year of exploration, my ultimate goal has finally become clear. That's right. What I actually want most is to be a couch potato. Just kidding. I want to be a 3D motion designer. I know this path of continuous learning will be a long and lonely one. So, I decided to turn it into a YouTube series to document this journey of solo leveling. Today's mission is to learn Blender's geometry nodes, a high-level boss on this journey. It's been a while since I last used my logical left brain, and today, this lazy left brain is in for a ruthless workout. I came across a tutorial. I wanted to recreate this effect for my own brand. Imagine this on the homepage of my portfolio whenever that's finished. This project is actually perfect for a beginner like me because the basic concept is simple. A cube, a 3D text boolean, and a wavy plane animation. This is short are ruining kids' attention spans these days. Luckily, we didn't have any of that back in my generation. Alright, warm-up is over. Time to actually get some work done. So the text boolean part was a breeze. But then came the real puzzle. The wavy plane animation. The logic is straightforward. You take a straight curve, resample it, and manipulate its vertex positions. How do you actually control the frequency, amplitude, and speed to create a perfect wave? Well, you have to drive the z-axis of every single point using this setup. Spline parameter. Math, multiply. Math, add. Math, sine. And math, multiply. Yeah, that is definitely math. Connected through comp by XYZ. Fit it back into the z offset of the set position node. And boom, a beautiful sine wave curve. Extrude that curve into a mesh, and that's your wave.
I feel like I owe my high school math teacher a massive apology. I used to think trigonometry would be useless in my life.
After a session of highly efficient meditation, I suddenly reached enlightenment. 0 is black, 1 is white. Sine isn't a math problem. It's a wave. It's the rhythm of your life. This is the final result. Not too bad, right? Add a bit of copy, and wow, it actually looks like a real landing page. Cool! But staring at it made me think, maybe I'm not some space ranger with a grand mission. Maybe I'm just a mass-produced toy in this world. But even mass-produced toys can still find a way to live their own lives, like following their true nature, being lazy, and that's probably why my portfolio will never be finished. But I'm still upgrading. See you in the next quest. Hey, this is my friend. Hey, this is my very first vlog video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and liking. It really helps me out a lot.